Hi, welcome to Mary's Math Club.
Linear equation we know. Simultaneous linear equation means when the equation has equation is containing more than one variable. So these are two simultaneous linear equation, and now our question is whether the set of this equation is solvable or not. Means it has any solution or no solution, or if it has a solution, then how many solution is possible there. See here, x has the coefficient a1 and in equation number 1 and a2 in the equation number 2, and y has the coefficient b1 in equation 1 and y has coefficient b2 in the equation 2. Now we will make three ratios with this coefficient. How? We will make one ratios with the coefficient of x, means a1 by a2. We are making another ratios with the coefficient of y, that is b1 by b2. If these two ratios, a1 by a2 and b1 by b2, is not equal to each other, then we will say that it has solution, and only one solution. Now the second case, when we will see ratio of x coefficient is equal to ratio of y coefficient, but it's not equal to c1 by c2. Means it's these two ratios are not equal to the ratios of constant 2. So in this case we will get solution. It has solution, but we will get more than one solution, many. Actually, it is better to say many solution. We will get many solution. And now we will come to the third cases. In third case, when we will write that a1 by a2 means the ratio of x coefficient is equal to ratio of y coefficient, and the ratio of two constant term all are equal, means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. In these cases we will not get any solution. So in these cases it has no solution. Actually in this case I also want to share it that these two equations, linear simultaneous equation, this is actually representing the equation of straight lines, and whenever we are writing there is no solution, means this condition is satisfying, means there is no solution. It is actually meaning that these two straight lines are parallel to each other. That's why they will not at all intersect, and that's why there will not get any common point. That's why there is no solution. We say there is one solution, only one solution, when there is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. We said only one solution. Means actually here two straight lines are intersecting. That's why they are sharing one point. Both of the straight lines are passing through the one point. That's why it has only one solution. But in the case when a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2, in these cases what's happening, that this is one straight line representing, and another straight line is coinciding. That's why there is many solution, many points, which they are actually sharing. So more than one, many points are there which they both of the two straight lines are sharing. That's why we will get in these cases many solution, because one straight line is coinciding with other, and in these cases we are getting only one solution because they are intersecting each other. So this is the fact about when we will get solution, when we will not get any solution. Today after this, keep watching Maths Math Club.